Sophie and George, today you formally confirm that you have found someone who not only touches your heart, but touches your soul. Today you recognize that you have found someone who will stand beside you, someone who will love you for who you are, not what you could be. Today we see that you have found each other. These are the hands that will work alongside yours. These are the hands that will hold you tight as you struggle through difficult times. These are the hands that will comfort you when you are sick and counsel you when you are grieving. These are the hands that will give you support as you chase down your dreams. Together as a team, everything you wish for can be realized.
You're mine, always you're mine, forever you're mine. Reality, you're mine.
I, George McKee, affirm my love to you, Sophie Fennick, as I invite you to share my life. You are the most beautiful, smart and generous person I've ever known, and I promise to always respect you and love you. With kindness, unselfishness and trust, I will work by your side to create a wonderful life together. I take you, Sophie, to be my lawful wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, for as long as we both shall live.
You, and I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will when the sky is falling.
I, Sophie Fennick, affirm my love to you, George McKee, as I invite you to share my life. You are the most beautiful, smart and generous person I've ever known, and I promise I'll always respect you and love you. With kindness, unselfishness and trust, I will work by your side to create a wonderful life together. I take you, George, to be my lawfully wedded husband, to have, to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, for as long as we both shall live.
This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity. With our union, we will move mountains. We will live on our knees.
Whatever it is that you believe in this moment in time, we're blessing these rings. These rings are an outward indication of your love and your commitment to one another. They simply say you have found your soulmate. They simply speak to society at large, say you have been spoken for. May you always wear these rings with commitment and dignity and grace. May they always be kept safe upon your body and in your home. And so it is, and so it shall be. Amen.
With all that we have, we do. And we will, when the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds. Every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you.
Sophie,
give you this ring
as
a token of my love.
And
with all that I am,
with all that I am,
and all that I have, I share this ring with you to be my husband. Do you accept this ring as a token of my love?
I do.
I'll give you my heart.
Sophie, with this ring,
I ask you to be my wife,
I ask you to be my wife,
to be with me
to be with me
wherever life leads us,
wherever life leads us,
to be my partner
to be my partner
forever.
forever.
Do you accept this ring
Do you accept this ring
as a sign of my love?
as a sign of my love?
And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. And sooner or later it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight.
Sophie and George, with the promise you make today, you commit to one another for life and to sharing of life's experiences. This commitment includes a promise to respect and understand one another's ideas, dreams, and ambitions. Trying your marriage with all the strength you have to support the other in difficult times. Take the time to celebrate with all the strength you have to support the other in difficult. Take the time to be joyful with good times, and above all, cherish your partner as a special and unique individual.
Everything feels like the movies. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Now that you stood before me, you've shared your vows and agreed to be married. It is a great honor to officially declare you, George, husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
When everything's made to be broken,
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. McKee.